Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys about the ePortfolio that I made, and the topic is programming to aid discourse analysis. So I came across with this idea because now I'm facing some problems. So let's first dive into the problem definition. So the existing problems that I faced is that as a linguistic student, while the teacher gave me a test, and while I'm reading it, I always spending significant time identifying representative examples for discourse analysis, and that is mainly about the cohesion part. And the second one is during reading the given text, I cannot directly deconstruct and understanding the core of the test. So the task that I need to do is to using the programming skills that I have to first tracking high frequency vocabulary and then castifying the common cues for cohesion devices and then counting their occurrences. So now let's then splitting the problem. The part one is I call it processing the test, which is the 4 steps are all processing the given test. The first steps is to import the whole article, of course, and second is to lowercase of the test and delete the punctuation marks. So it delete the misjudge from the pattern, and third one is to slip the test into words, and the last one is to identify the most frequent occurring words, which I said is the top 30s, and then indicate the numbers of the time they occurred. And this part 2, I call it discourse analysis, that the 3 steps is all work for it. The first step is to make the cohesion device into list, and then the second one is to fill the list with the words that representing each cohesion device, and the third one is to check if the most frequent words contain these words, and if they do, then just calculate the most frequently used devices and mark the times. And part 3 is deconstruct the core concept. It's simple because we are done before, so we only need to make the top 30 most frequent occurring words that are not classified as cohesion devices in a separate list and call it keywords, which is helpful for us and for myself actually to understand the core concept. So I also draw a flowchart to show the whole process. You can see during the flowchart, the steps is very clear and I know exactly what I'm gonna do. And so now, let's just dive into the proposed solutions. So according to the flowchart, I read some programming to help me to solve the task that I need to do. So first is import the test. And from the collections import counter. And the article that I chose to show for example is where the well things are that written by Harper and Rowe I referenced down below. And then the second one is processing the test. It's basically things that I mentioned on step 1. I import the articles we already done, and then lowercase all of them and delete the punctuation marks, and then split the test into words, and then identify the most frequent occurring words. And the second one is analyzing cohesion devices, and this one is also. And then is the keyword list. So the accepting results will be things like this. All of things is list that I can see them clearly, and it really helped me for my further studies for based on the given test and based on the help of this one. So the potential improvement is it can make me analyze tests more effectively, and it can enhance my ability to deconstruct and understanding the main idea. And thanks for watching.